Good morning, y'all. It's the Frugalista. About to get her clean on outside. We are expecting snow. So I've already been over here. Look, little birds flying around. I was over here and I just put that rug away. And I'm getting ready to store my furniture. I guess for the season, because again, we're expecting snow. It's supposed to be a really drop in temperature. This is my first year ever having these guys. And as you can see, they've been sitting out here uncovered. Now I brought my cushions in. Oh my goodness. I probably bought my cushions in a few weeks ago now. Because I'm not trying to have those messed up. I know you can get covers and stuff, and they are water resistant, but they're not waterproof. And I just don't like I just don't want to get them wet. Whatever. Y'all call me whatever you want. I know that they have the best of materials on them, and it's outdoor furniture, but still, our winters are really rough here, guys. So I'm getting ready to turn the camera on and roll up my rugs. Because even if we do something out here for the fall, because today I have on short sleeves, even if we do something out here for the fall, I still would, I'm going to roll these up. We still can come out here. The rugs just won't be out here, okay? Yes, I'm going to, do some cleaning with me. Y'all doing some cleaning with me today. I just kind of stacked these chairs. I'm going to stack these in fours and then pull them kind of further out. Yeah, look at these little birds fighting over there. Can y'all see that? It's fall time, y'all. They were fighting and just fluttering over there in the leaves. All the little animals are so lively today. Yeah, leaves are everywhere. Beautiful out here today. Yeah. So, again, I'm getting ready to roll my rugs up. I was going to leave this rug out, but I was just thinking, why? It takes a couple minutes. Seriously, y'all. It took me a couple of minutes to sweep that one off. That'll go inside. Technically, I probably could leave it under that little ledge because I have a ledge coming out from the, top floor. I probably could leave that out. I'm just going to pull it in the garage because I have the space. This, I'm going to sweep off and pull this rug up also. Move my, umbrella holder. Okay. Technically, I probably could figure out a way to put something under this table as shelter because the table won't be going in. It's too heavy. I haven't found any patio covers. I've been looking in my Habitat for Humanity. I'm really hoping to, score something really, really cheap because, y'all, I'm trying not to have my patio furniture cost less than the actual covers. Covers are expensive. Yeah. Let me turn the camera on, guys. Let me get done. Mirabella's home today. They're off for 2 days for teachers in service. So we're going to get our patio umbrellas and clean up out here. Okay. A little clean with me outdoors video. Okay, 2 rugs down and 1 to go. Whew, that was a nice little workout. 3 rugs down. Now what I think I'm getting ready to do is just sweep off the furniture and figure out what I'm going to do with it. Because we were talking about putting fireplace here anyway. We're going to take down those trees, put the fireplace here. If we have a couple of nice days, because literally, y'all see I'm in no sleeves. But they're talking about snow on Friday. I don't know if I want to bring the furniture all the way in or not, because I don't have covers for it yet. You know, this will be our first year having it. I just want to, you know, keep it as long as possible. I love forever pieces. I'm not trying to replace this next year, okay? I want to look at it to see, you know, if anything's wrong with it. I noticed here, I had two little things that come off from there. I don't know why that happened, but I'll make sure I try to put that back on there. Okay, but it looks good. I mean, it hasn't been covered up all summer, so yeah. So let me sweep off this furniture. Y'all, I'm working against the clock. I am trying to get done before it starts to raining. I can feel the temperatures dropping, but I have gone through and cleaned off all the furniture, getting all the pine needles off. Yeah, I have pine trees in the back of my yard, so the pine needles got everywhere. But I went through and, you know, just kind of looked at the furniture. Y'all know I'm kind of obsessed with it. I want it to stay new. And I saw just a couple of little spots, like right there. But believe it or not, the only two places, well, one place that I see anything is just right here. And I just showed y'all that a minute ago. So that's the only, you know, place. So I'm going to fix that up. Oh, look at that little creature, y'all. Look at him. And that's what I want to do also. Believe it or not, I like to make sure all the little pine needles are off before I put it away. As y'all can see here, because they get in there. You almost have to pull them off by hand. And while I'm looking at a pine needle, look at that little guy. Can y'all see him? I'm going to try to let him live, but he's not going to be up in my garage. Okay? Yeah, but I went through, swept everything. Look at him. Is he a stink bug? I think that might be a stink bug. Oh, you know you're not coming in. So, yeah, so I got that done. And what I'm thinking is, because I was going to go online, seriously, and look on Amazon and see about, you know, getting some waterproof covers. But I know me. Y'all, we have really bad winters here in Jersey. Now, when y'all down there in the Carolinas and Georgia, Alabama, Florida, Mississippi, y'all, you know, it just gets cold where y'all are. So if you leave your stuff out, that's fine. But for me, I worry about the wind picking the stuff up because it's light enough that the wind can take it. Now, this table, of course, it's not going anywhere. It takes two people to lift this bad boy up. That's not going to go anywhere. And that's set out here also. And thank goodness I have not broke the glass in this, because I leave this out all year long and my metal butterfly will stay out. But this furniture, if I did have a cover for it, I know me. I would be on pins and needles, especially if when we have nor'easters or really bad windstorms, worrying about what it's going to do. So what I'm going to do is make room in my garage for it. I might keep a chair or two out, because I still think that we're going to put the patio fireplace out here. We were going to put it out here, but now that I'm thinking about it, I might put it out here, right in the middle, smack dab middle. Let me get up here. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it, ooh, I almost fell. I'm going to put it in the smack dab middle here and just put two of my chairs by it. That'll be a nice little cozy look. Yeah, and it's easy enough to, move this out of the way. But I really want to get this done because my, landscaper's coming today to get all these, leaves up. I don't have to do all that. He'll do that. He'll take the blower and blow that away. We were talking about pulling these trees up, y'all, or getting rid of those two trees because they're kind of puny in comparison to that one. So if I get rid of those two trees, cut this tree back, way, way back, I could put the fireplace right in the middle and then put my armchairs around it for the fall. So that'll be a fall look. Yeah, we'll see. I had so many plans for the fall football season out here. My Eagles aren't doing well. Artie's been traveling for work. So, life has just happened. But when the yard guy gets here, clears off all of that, I still may get it in my head too. Oh my goodness, look at the trampoline. I'm going to see if Maribella's going to feel like doing that. Yeah, wow. It's a lot of pine needles. Ugh. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Again, the table will be here. I'm going to make room in the garage for my rugs, which will be easy. They stand up just like that. No big deal. They won't take up any spot. My umbrellas, they don't take up a lot of room. And this, believe it or not, won't take up a lot of room because I'm going to stack it. If I stack my ottomans, just do like stack my ottomans up, stack the ottomans up vertically, because technically I could stack all those ottomans right there, and I could, stack this furniture to the ceiling in my garage technically. So I don't think it's going to take up a lot of space. Yeah, and if need be, I'll keep my 2 armchairs out for me and Artie, in case we want to come out here and, enjoy the fireplace if I put it up. If I don't put it up, no big deal. All right, guys, that's it. Let's see if that little creature has moved. No, he's still there. You got to go, buddy. You're about to be evicted. Yes, you are. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, but before I bring this in, y'all, I'm not trying to have no creepy crawlers in that warm garage, kitchen a ride, and, procreating all winter long. So I'll spray it down also. I can't use bleach on it. Maybe some vinegar. Yeah, I think I may just do some vinegar, some vinegar water. That's what I'll do. Spray it down with that. So in case any eggs or any babies are there. Yeah, but I can feel that coldness coming, y'all. The breeze is coming. We're supposed to be getting some cold weather. Yeah, all that weather coming from the Midwest supposed to be coming our way. It's a little nip in the air. Y'all let me know what y'all do here on the, in the colder seasons. If somebody's out in Washington State or Washington, D.C., what do you do with your furniture? Do you just cover it up? Call it a day? I'm curious to know because this is my first time having furniture like this. All right, guys, let me go make room in the garage.